Hello, welcome back to Learn Economia. We are continue with our effort of solving sample questions for UGC next exam. The first question here is, which one of the following does not implement the self-help groups bank linkage program? NABARD, commercial banks, RRBs, and cooperative societies. First of all, you have to understand that this is a program, self-help group bank linkage program. It was started as a pilot program in 1992. It is out of the. It is actually it was implemented by following the recommendation of S.K. Callier committee. And as per this program, commercial banks, cooperative societies, and regional rural banks would be participating in this scheme. So here the right answer is NABARD. NABARD is not included in the self-help group bank linkage program. Next, bank deposit insured by DICGS for a maximum amount of cash per depositor per bank. No limit, 500,000, 200,000, 100,000. Right answer is option D, 100,000. That means that each depositor in the bank is insured up to a maximum of 100,000 for both the principal amount as well as for the interest held by him or her in the same capacity and same right as on date of liquidation or cancellation or amalgamation or merger or reconstruction or whatever comes into force. Which of the following company is the sole reinsurance company in India? Just take note that it is asked about reinsurance company. It is not about insurance, simply insurance company. It is reinsurance company which is asked in the question. Options are Life Insurance Corporation of India, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, National Insurance Company, and General Insurance Corporation. The right answer is option D, General Insurance Corporation, which is the sole reinsurance company in Indian insurance market. And this has got over 4 decades of experience in this area. Now, direct question, who appoints the banking ombudsman, lead bank of the state, governor of respective state, Reserve Bank of India, and President of India? The right answer is Reserve Bank of India. This organization would be appointing the banking ombudsman, who is a senior official to redress the customer complaints against the deficiency in the Indian banking services. Next question, who decides the rate of interest on saving bank deposit? Ministry of Finance, Indian Bank Association, Reserve Bank of India, and individual banks. Here, just give stress to saving bank deposit. So this is done by individual commercial banks. Which of the following public sector banks is the first bank to offer wealth management service? Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, State Bank of India, Canara Bank, and none of these. Or here we could see that the State Bank of India is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. It came into being as Imperial Bank of India. Later, it was transformed to form the State Bank of India, or it was renamed as the State Bank of India. This bank became the first public sector lender to launch wealth management service, a space dominated by private foreign players. Sorry. Next question. Yes Bank has announced mobilization of $5 billion towards its commitment to climate finance in India by 2020. The bank's commitment target for funding clean energy is that 1000 megawatt annually, 1500 megawatt annually, 1500 megawatt by 2020, and 5000 megawatt by 2020. Especially in a scenario when clean energy, green energy, etc. gaining importance, you have to give importance to these kinds of questions. Here the right answer is option D, 5000 megawatt by 2020. Next question. The first land development bank was established in 1920. Where was it located? Meerut, Jang, Manjir, Thane. Right answer option B, Jang. Which of the following is the first bank to tie up with the Indian Railways to sell rail tickets through its website? This question is very important, this is considered to be a recent development. A bank actually selling rail tickets through its website, it is something that is very rare. So here the right answer is option B, ICICI Bank. Next, which of the following banks is the world's largest bank by assets? Here just take a note of the word assets, by assets. Bank of America, Industrial Commercial Bank of China, BNP Paribas, and Bank of China. Right answer is Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, option B. Next, which of the following terms is not associated with banking? CTS, MICR, IFSC, and FERA. The right answer is option D, FERA. Just understand the full form of all the things. CTS stands for Check Truncation System. MICR, Magnetic in Character Recognition. IFSC, Indian Financial System Code. And FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. Next, the banks which are implementing microfinance program linked with self-help groups are commercial bank and cooperative banks, regional rural banks, commercial banks, cooperative banks and regional rural banks, commercial bank, cooperative banks and regional rural banks. So that is it. Option D is the right answer. Commercial bank would be there, regional bank would be there, and cooperative bank would be there. With reference to Asian Development Bank, consider the following statements. United Nations has the largest proportion of shares in voting system. China and India have the same percent of the shares for voting system. Here the right answer is option D, neither 1 nor 2. Both the sentences given here are incorrect. The share of the concerned state government in capital of regional rural bank, 15%, 35%, 20%, 50%. Right answer is option A, 15%. The Bandhan Banking Limited is an Indian banking and financial service company headquartered in where? It is actually headquartered in Kolkata, West Bengal. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more video, and please be a part of my Telegram channel and Telegram group where you can discuss your doubts. So I'll be providing the links of the same in the description box. With that, we end today's session. Thank you.